feel like Gio would be like 1A. A white male height.
10, I guess.
I feel like it's 5'10", right?
Yeah.
Wait, I'm online. I thought I was offline. What the fuck? What the fuck? You saw me.
Yeah, he's a sniper. Wait, are those people box?
There's two. No, there's three. I saw one behind him.
You're dead.
Not dead yet.
Reload.
I need to wait. I mean, they have good shit, so I can't find them. Got a plan.
Josh, are you sending big 20s?
Huh?
Memes.
I'm eating, you bitch. Can a man eat? Hey, which one of y'all have corona? I swear to God, I swear to God, I swear to God, I swear to God.
Oh, this is it.
Fuck this AK, man.
Why he breathing so loud, homie?
Cause he got shot in the fucking stomach, dude.
You killed the guy?
I killed two guys.
Oh, go.
Not yet. There's like two more people, I think. I can get some painkillers, like I'll be fine.
Oh, you see him.
Where? Oh, I see.
To your right, to your right. You hit that? Oh no, he's running. Oh! You dead, right?
It's dead. Where are the painkillers, man? You fucking cunts.
Hey, that's not nice.
Are you done coughing?
On God, extract.
I'm
hell.
Yeah, just hurry up and
Second
die.
is forever.
Damn, I extracted it. God damn
Man,
it.
go-
Back. Hold.
Yeah, I killed 3 people. Okay. Fuck. Fucking hell, got him. Ah, no bullets left. Open the fucking... the Vaseline, motherfucker.
Well, this man better not be coughing, I swear to fucking know.
He is.
take what